Hello and welcome back to another Joon's Garage session. Today we're going to be focusing on the mass airflow sensor cleaning. This is how you remove your mass airflow sensor. So you're going to have a couple clips around the actual filter tank. You're going to have a hose clamp to remove, a nut up top of the hose tank, or the filter tank, excuse me. There's your hose clamp. A couple of wires you want to remove off the side there. And then your wiring harness is in the back here. It's clipped in with a little plastic clip, but be careful of the front of the mass airflow sensor. Another hose clamp there, but the mass airflow sensor has a small clip. It looks like a C clip at the very top of it, so you need to have like a small tool and maybe some needle nose to take care of that. You don't want to lose it. I don't know where you would get one. Maybe you can get one from Toyota, but regardless of that, it's pretty simple to take it off and remove it. There's also 4 nuts on the other side of the actual where the hose goes into your mass airflow sensor. This is going to remove the tank top. And right here is the actual mass airflow sensor. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my check engine light came on. I did purchase another mass airflow sensor refurbished from China off eBay. There was 2 different sizes, and thankfully they didn't have the one that I was looking for. So that's the mass airflow sensor itself. It's a little plastic nub that's sticking out. And so because they didn't have it, I had to look at other reasons to figure out how to get rid of my check engine lights. So found out that a mass airflow sensor, which I'm not aware of or what it did or what it is doing, allows more air intake to make your air-fuel ratio proper. And so this actually saved me. So you'll notice that I'm going to drench it probably 15-20 times, and then just let it air out and dry for about 15-20 minutes. So I had a rich smelling fuel smell when I was at idle, and so I couldn't figure it out probably for the last year as to why that was happening. And then my check engine light came on, which is really cool because she still talks, and I got the code for that, which is a 26. I got code 26, and then I looked into the manual and see what kind of codes or what that could relate to. So went with a mass airflow sensor. I'm also going to have, I believe it's the, there's another sensor, but it's not related to the air intake. Once I did this, I also do the electronic parts because those haven't been cleaned, and I feel like why not? It's going to be helpful. If there's anything I can clean, I might as well clean it. So you can pick these up at your auto parts store. Make sure that they are a mass airflow sensor cleaner, not a throttle body cleaner. They are different chemicals, and so make sure that you're getting the proper mass airflow sensor cleaner. I'll put a couple of links down to what I used, and this did solve my check engine light, and it also did solve my fuel and air ratio blend. I don't have any numbers to prove that, but I know that just based on smell, it was wonderful. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. If you have any questions, hopefully this video helped you out. I know that a check engine light can be scary, but this actually ended up being really awesome. So I'll also show you another video update on how to get that code from your diagnostics. Take care, guys. Thanks for the support. Peace.